Streams of falling water, cold rain on my lips. Dirty dreams across the asphalt, lightning holds the trigger tight. The piercing wind keeps howling louder, clouds pressing through the night, through the puddles, knee-deep shadows, endless streets without a light. Still I search for one warm shimmer, one small trace of living fire, wet and broken, crooked trees will bend under the storm pressure. The crowns resemble raven feathers stamped against a blood gray sky. Streams of falling water, cold rain on my lips, dirty dreams across the asphalt, lightning holds the trigger tight. Cold rain, cold rain, cold rain. The wind keeps tearing through the city, black clouds breathing over me. Dirty dreams.